Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you my nightly hair routine for tonight. I use different ones on different nights. So tonight I'm going to show you the one I'm using for tonight. So it's going to be with the latest scarf at NVTrustStreets.com, which is the Jungle Safari. So basically what I do is I take my Which I Love Your Hair spray, which is my favorite spray. And I just spray all over. It's my favorite. If you haven't tried it, make sure you try it, especially if you have a protective style. And then I'm going to take my That's That Magic and I'm going to put a pump in my hand, rub it in, and then just do like a quick little scalp massage. I usually do it for like a minute or 2 minutes, but for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to do like a really quick massage. And then I'm going to take my scrunchie. It's a fluff scrunchie. So this is the fluff scrunchie. I made this scrunchie for Tropical Natural. So we did a collab project, and this is the print. And so these scrunchies are available exclusively at Tropical Natural. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to take it all up and put it all up here. And then I'm going to, I love using the fluff scrunchies like for my locks just because it's freaking awesome. And it's like fluffy and it's cute. So, and again, I'm going to use the Jungle Safari scarf and I'm going to take it and I'm just going to fold it like this. So just only a little bit of a top. And then put it like this around the back of my hair. So you can see. And then I'm going to take it, so you can see here, and just stick it through and make a knot, like so. I'm gonna tuck all these little hairs in as well. Like they're not supposed to be sticking out. So I'll tuck it in, but I kind of look like T-Bias a little bit, right? No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna stick that in, and then I'm gonna take these ends and wrap them around the back. Like so. And then take this little thing here and just kind of stick it in. So that's gonna be my nightly hair routine for tonight. So like I said, it varies like on different nights, but this is what I'm doing tonight. So I just wanted to show you. So again, the Jungle Safari scarf is available at NVTrustStreets.com. Have a good night.